All set now, ready to race. Away they go. Hold that cat, Oroquieta. Yellow Goose Cat, down on the inside, Beyond Good, rushing up, state of the art. And Senorita Alessi. Hold that cat by Hapaland, followed by Oroquieta, down on the inside. Yellow Goose Cat is racing in third by some 3 lengths alongside state-of-the-art Senorita Alessi and Beyond Good. And nearing the far turn, it's now Oroquieta by some 2 lengths. Hold that cat, state-of-the-art is on the outside. Yellow Goose Cat down on the inside and getting closer in fifth, Senorita Alessi as they race the corner. Oroquieta, state-of-the-art. Yellow Goose Cat. It's Oroquieta by about 2 lengths, state-of-the-art. Yellow Goose Cat in the middle. All that cat racing in fourth and nearing the finish line. Oroquieta by about 3 lengths. Yellow Goose Cat and nearing the finish line. Number 3, Oroquieta. State of the art. Yellow Goose Cat. Beyond Good. Number 2, Senorita Alessi. And